Today we're going to review the Odoland 3500W windproof camp stove. The Odoland 3500W is a compact and powerful, budget-friendly stove that's perfect for outdoor cooking. With a windproof design and a built-in piezo ignition, this stove is capable of boiling a liter of water in just 3 minutes, even in windy conditions. The stove is made of high-quality aluminum alloy and stainless steel, which makes it sturdy and durable. It also comes with a carrying case for easy transportation. The adjustable flame control allows for precise temperature management so you can cook your meals to perfection, and the wide base provides a stable cooking platform for your pots and pans. The stove is compatible with any 7x16 thread single propane or butane-propane mixed fuel canisters, making it a versatile choice for any outdoor adventure. It weighs 13.8 ounces and is small and compact at 5.7 by 5.7 by 3.8 inches. Overall, the Odoland 3500W windproof camp stove is a budget-friendly and efficient choice for all of your outdoor cooking needs.